Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. There are a lot of Chinese applications available on Play Stores, but we have to find some alternatives to it. Today I am going to tell you about how can we replace the scam scanner applications with another applications. There are a lot of applications available on Play Store for scanning your documents. So just go to Play Store and search for this Adobe Scan application, which can scan your PDF files, your documents, your photos, and every paper of your information, your personal information, you can convert into a PDF file with the help of this useful Adobe application. So friends, I request you all, please install this application in your mobile phone, as I have downloaded and installed it already. Now I request all my friends to like and subscribe my channel so that such kind of videos will be notified to you. Let's open this application. So this is the view of this application. You can click on the home button. You will see the documents you already have scanned here. So now you can see a blue sign of camera and gallery at the bottom of the screen. So from the camera you can capture and scan any document, or if you have already taken some pictures of the documents in your gallery, so you can also choose from gallery. Now let's click on the camera. Here you can see the corners and the image is already captured automatically. So now the border is given. If you want to crop the image, then hold and slide the edges of the page, and you can adjust the corners like this also. So which area is required to us, we will crop it properly, so that let's put some margin. Okay, now you can continue. If you think the picture is not appropriate, then you can retake the picture from your retake button. Now just click on continue. Now the camera is open for the next image if you want to capture. Otherwise you can click on this picture already you have taken. Here you can see the scanned copy. Now you can edit the name of this document, just like I'm doing here. Okay, some options are given. You can add many pages to this document. You can reorder the pages if you have multiple pages. Then again, if you think you need to crop the area of this document, so you can recrop it. Okay, the options of rotation is also given. You can rotate it like this. Auto detect option is there. Whatever text is printed on the page, it will be covered in the document. So if you want to take a particular area of this document, then you can drag it and crop it. Okay, then let's click on right button. Now some rotate option is also given, crop option is also given, color option is also given here. So you can make it a grayscale, means black and white. If you have colored documents, then if you want to make it black and white, so their option is also given. Auto color is also a good option. So I suggest you all that if you scan a document, so please keep it in the auto color mode, so that the clarity will be good. Cleanup option is also given there. If you have some pictures, then you can rub it, wipe it, or correct it. So I'm making it undo. All our scanning has been done and editing also is done. So I will click on this blue tick at the right corner of the screen. So click on save PDF. The file will be saved as a PDF format and will appear at the home screen. Now if you want to save it on a cloud, so you can upload it at your cloud account, and preview option is also available. Then go back, share option is also there. So if you have uploaded at the cloud storage, then you can share the link. You can email the copy of the document, or if you want to share the copy on social media like WhatsApp and Telegram and other REST applications, so click on a share copy. So the options are available here. So in this way we can scan a document with Adobe Scan applications instead of Cam Scanner. Thanks for watching, my dear friend. I request you again, please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel to get the next videos. Thank you.